diving into the most important and often confusing part of skincare. Layering your products the right way. After years of experimenting, I always find myself asking, am I applying my skincare in the right order? Well, that question gets answered today. Layering your skincare properly isn't just about routine, it's about results. Mix the wrong products and you can risk irritation. Get the order wrong and your products won't work as they should. If you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, let's get started. First thing first, cleansing. I use the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser for normal to dry skin to gently remove any oils or residue that builds up overnight. I love how it leaves my skin feeling fresh and clean without stripping it of moisture. I like to massage it in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it with lukewarm water. Next, I tone my skin using April Skin Artemisia Rice Essence Toner. This toner helps balance my skin's pH and prep it to absorb the products I apply next. I pour a small amount onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it across my face, or sometimes I pat it in my hands for a little extra hydration. Now it's time for treatment. In the morning, I like to use 2 serums. The first serum I use is the 6 Peptide Skin Booster. So the main reason why I use this serum is because it is a hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is like a tall glass of water for your skin. It draws moisture from the environment or deeper skin layers to keep your skin hydrated. It also helps support your skin's natural barrier, reduce water loss, and protect against dryness and irritation. Hyaluronic acid smooths fine lines and wrinkles by plumping up your skin with hydration. Perfect for a youthful glow. What I love most is that it works for all skin types, even if you have oily or sensitive skin. After applying my hyaluronic acid, I like to apply my clinical skin Vitamin C Pro-Collagen Serum. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that works wonders for your skin. It protects against environmental damages, boosts collagen, and brightens your complexion. Think of it as your skin ultimate shield and glow booster, all in one bottle. Vitamin C is famous for brightening the skin. It works by fading dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. Over time, you'll notice a more even and radiant complexion. As an antioxidant, vitamin C neutralizes free radicals caused by UV rays, pollutants, and stress. Vitamin C helps your skin produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. This means fewer fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging over time. While it's not a replacement for sunscreen, vitamin C works hand in hand with SPF to shield your skin from sun damage. It's the perfect daytime companion for your sunscreen. With consistent use, vitamin C can smooth out rough patches and refine your overall skin texture, leaving your skin soft and touchable. Once my serums have absorbed, I go in with my La Perrier Skin Caviar Luxe Eye Cream. I like to take a small amount, just a little bit. A little goes a long way. I like to put 3 dots underneath my eye, blend it out onto my eyelid, and any extra product I have on my fingers, I do apply it to my lips because your lips skin is very thin, and if it can plump my eyes, it can plump my lips too. After my eye cream, I go in with the Obagi Hydra Luxe Moisture Rich Cream. A good moisturizer locks in all the hydration and keeps my skin soft and smooth. I apply a pea-sized amount and massage it into my face and neck. Now we're on to the most important step of any morning skincare routine, sunscreen. I use Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 to protect my skin from UV rays and prevent premature aging. I apply about 2 fingers worth to cover my face, neck, and ears. Remember, sunscreen is non-negotiable, even if you're staying indoors. And that's it for my morning skincare routine. These steps help me feel confident, protected, and ready to tackle the day. Let me know down below in the comments if you try any of these products or share your favorite morning must-haves. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and remember, you're made for more. See you next time. Bye.